Hello and welcome to the TigrePupbeauty channel. I'm TigrePup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easy bump your hair. Are you tired of wasting your time doing barrel curls, burning your fingertips only for your curls to fall flat again? Then try this instead. On dry hair, apply a heat protectant for heat protection, a serum for smoothness, and a hairspray for hold. You're going to need some clips in order to section off your hair and a flat iron to bump it. Okay, so now that we've applied all of our products and we've sectioned off our hair, we're going to take our comb and gently use our flat iron in order to bump just the very ends of the hair and work our way from the bottom and gradually go up to the top. As you can see here in the front, I wanted to showcase my layers in the front, so I'm gently going to work from the front, working my way to the back. Here is what the hair looked like before we began easy bumping our hair. As you can see, it's very flat and boring. And here is what it's looking like afterwards. Hopefully now you can see all the layers that were placed in the hair during the haircut, and you didn't have to barrel curl it throughout the head and take so much time waiting on it to cool so it wouldn't drop so fast. Hopefully this helped you find an alternative to barrel curling your hair. Thanks for watching. If you would like to watch a more detailed video on how to do this, please check out my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.